In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact PayPal customer care. If you need help with your PayPal account, a payment issue, or a general question, the quickest place to begin is right from your PayPal dashboard. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way so you know exactly where to go. Start by logging into your PayPal account and going to your main dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the bottom of the page. You'll want to scroll all the way down until you reach the footer section. This is the area at the very bottom of the website where PayPal places helpful navigation links and support options. In the footer, look for the link that says Contact Us. This is the main link you'll use to get in touch with PayPal customer support. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, you'll be taken to the PayPal Help Center. The Help Center is where PayPal organizes its support resources and customer care options. Once you arrive there, you should see different ways to get assistance. The two main options you're looking for are Message Us and Call Us. These choices let you decide how you want to contact support based on what's most convenient for you. If you prefer typing and want to keep a written record of the conversation, you can choose Message Us. This option can be useful if your issue is not urgent or if you want to explain your concern in detail. On the other hand, if you'd rather speak directly with a support representative, you can select Call Us. This is usually the better option if you want immediate clarification or need help walking through an issue in real time. Once you select the option you want, just follow the prompts shown on the screen. PayPal will guide you through the next steps, depending on whether you chose messaging or calling. Make sure you read the instructions carefully so you can reach the right support channel as quickly as possible, and that's really all there is to it. The key is simply going to your PayPal dashboard, scrolling down to the footer, clicking Contact Us, and then choosing between messaging or calling through the Help Center. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find the right way to contact PayPal customer care.